Today's top 10 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. Open Source Hardware Certifications for June 2026. The Open Source Hardware Association OSHWA has added 26 new certifications to its database in June, bringing the total number of certified open-source hardware projects to 3,352. Vitalik Buterin shows top priorities for new Lean Ethereum strawmap. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin has outlined 3 top priorities for Ethereum's Lean Ethereum roadmap, including quantum assistance, scalability, and privacy enhancements. The upgrades are expected to roll out over the next 3 to 4 years, affecting nearly every layer of the network. Gluing 8,192 MCUs together to make a GPU. Here's the summary. Bitluni's project combines 8,192 MCUs on custom PCBs and firmware to create a GPU, using each MCU as a pixel in a massive cluster. The resulting prototype resembles an addressable RGB LED matrix. Waveshare ESP32C60B, a tiny ESP32C6 USB-C board with 5V36V wide supply voltage. Waveshare ESP32C60B is a tiny USB-C board that supports wide supply voltage of 5V36V for industrial applications. It features an Espressif Systems ESP32C6 FH8 wireless RISC-V SoC with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.x LA, and 802.15.4 radio for Zigbee and Thread, as well as USB Type-C port, expansion headers, and RGB LED. Metafights sewing hardware costs by reusing old DDR4 server memory in new DDR5 only servers. Custom CXL 2.0 chip marries legacy DDR4-2400 with cutting-edge DDR5-6400. Meta is reusing old DDR4 server memory in new DDR5 only servers by developing a custom CXL 2.0 chip at Vistora, which connects legacy DDR4-2400 modules to AMD EPYC Turin processors supporting only DDR5 memory. This solution enables the reuse of up to 256 GB of capacity using recovered 64 GB DIMM. PivCo-Huffman merge operations. A new paper, PivCo-Huffman, explores ways to improve Huffman decoding and encoding efficiency by introducing explicit parallelism through multiple streams or using ANS-style interleaving. This approach allows for better scaling on moderate numbers of streams and can be particularly effective when used with wide vector machines like GPUs. SUSE and OpenChip partner to develop sovereign European RISC-V accelerators. SUSE and OpenChip partner to develop sovereign European RISC-V accelerators, optimized for AI workloads and data center environments, with commercial availability expected in early 2027. The project aims to provide a secure and compliant alternative for European automakers and government organizations, meeting evolving data regulations and security standards. Rufus 4.15 fixes Windows 11 installation bypass bugs and adds RISC-V support. Rufus 4.15 has been released, fixing bugs that allowed bypassing Windows 11 installation and introducing RISC-V support for UEFI and TFS bootloader. The update also addresses security issues, improves progress reporting, and enhances compatibility with Snapdragon X-based ARM64 platforms. Core blocks 0.20 to 6.7.5. JavaScript is disabled in the user's browser, preventing a required part of the site from loading, possibly due to a browser extension, network issue, or browser settings. Qualcomm taking over Jim Keller's Tenstorrent report claims. Deal for AI chipmaker would value the company at between $8 billion and $10 billion. Qualcomm is considering acquiring AI processor developer Tenstorrent in a deal valued at $8-10 billion. The potential takeover would give Qualcomm access to Tenstorrent's RISC-V-based AI accelerators and data center-grade CPU IP, further diversifying its AI and computing offerings. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below. See you in the next update.